nirmala ken yam kana azdiala kontin lenka roisna gwasame kanwar online tv channel bana rocha ke kwitin konlat karodi and which ka greater penal state ping kwaran fay kwanya kirma yadit no kɔaŋ shorale bana mandanin chalat bana jaling gente ka kwarang wana lungti chawo ka SPLM IO agenda na gorno banyo ka yakel katin kontin lat korodian la greater penal state chiwoni jan ka goy woni jan ka jek bantin kon lat korodien tin ka jan gwasan bana linkel kan kono nyamre ler kana me mi jiram jadi dong jan chang nyam goji gor jan wojin der jan yo kana se ko ken are ler kana me ken nyam bana jaling ka thoknath ka kor bana jaling ka thok english baje kwen ya ka dobranan cha wargam cha gorga je ano ka bana kwara kontin cha wochen wude me bana keling bana kwara kontin cha wotere we ka greater penal state bana keling en kɔaŋ shorale kan kono nyam bi ngaje no kum South Sudan tel malum detin so targa dien wo bi kan jas fele mayo dial bi kan ko wojre kwara ajen do bdan let kana bana chureida kwaren pay kɔaŋ kirma yadit mala kwar greater penal state ke governor man pay kɔaŋ me ci jim su dok je wuch jim su dok jene wut tera ano karam pay kɔaŋ ala kɔaŋ shorale jen wut nuera ano an wala chala do jen cha kwara SPLM IO tungwan long cha ko wuchre wuch kamala kal ala kwara kontin to kwar ka chet kameda ne chala no de kwarti de karuch ano ka kwi me chala do te ka power sharing lat ka kwi mal me cha ta ko ron kina dangre wal badak la 2018 peace deal e dan e chalat kam kirma yadit kan Dr. Machar ano ko raja dan shore lat gwasame en kwaren jididan pay kɔaŋ ano kɔaŋ shorale general James kɔaŋ shorale jen she minister of finance kana planning pal deng Kerweth ano udme pal deng Kerweth cheje wochre kwara mandan teten ano pal deng Kerweth jen ramkel kabon South Sudan people liberation movement in opposition ala SPLM IO we ka kwarga na mo ke ticket SPLM IO and wo bela minister dung finance and planning jen tada na take jere wichin winemi antama ta George no chaja wi ka bom wude shwal ka men wo general James kɔaŋ shorale ala governor dan pay kɔaŋ so jen chaja wi ko jen shalat je tol no wo ke je ko jen ran SPLM IO korun to on tama murai kone je SPLM IO ka target re wi ka South Sudan netin content kelga kirma yadit ketin kone ajuru kirma yadit so woje ka kan ko la tin la jas SPLM IO special nuere ko kan nuere content la SPLM IO net content la SSPDF ka ji ko are so kan kone en kɔaŋ so ne me move mishalat chirke me sha ngaje no no wal me kɔaŋ gaje wude me lat ka je gwa wut ko mishal ka ji musu dog general SPLM IO ko do bran shalat ka je me cha move mo cha jala kirma yadit gwade dane bu korbo ko to goja ke me kor me je tok yo to go on tema tele mare we ka greater penal state jana dan le roda so ndo bo we ke kor minister of finance and planning pal den Kerweth nyu de jagwan wo chi deal dum 2018 ke male cha tan che fail ke che collapse cha raje mo cha je ko ne no ko ne me wa yer malga me cha tan ko do bran cha lat ke je so ene malat kamo Ramadan and shal keji mis kɔaŋ shol nyu de gwan wo chikan mal chikan gorno bete tere wika South Sudan jen dan de tinno cha raje me cha jalat ka cha je confirmed Ramadan and la penal information minister ur shal keji mis pasha no cha raje mo cha jalat ke social media chikchalar no governor James kɔaŋ shorale cha kwara SPLM IO minister of finance and planning cha je watch pal den Kerweth cha je wuch ka kan gwada ba kana kun kwar mi cha kulat gwada no don jaram dande kulet ka gwapal te ram cha kun ka gwada so na mo bo ngode boys it is very concerning mu gorga jen wode jangaj bore wichin winami baje kun ye ka talk English ka dobrana chalat ka je the newly appointed governor of Upper Nile State General James kɔaŋ shol has suspended the State Minister of Finance and Planning, Pal Deng Kerweth. Pal Deng is a member of the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM IO led by first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, who is still under house arrest, who is currently under house arrest in Juba. The suspension comes amid ongoing tension within South Sudan Unity Government, formed under a fragile 2018 peace deal between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and others groups, or this group called All Out Groups. The agreement established power sharing arrangement at both national and state level. Upper Information Minister James Pasha confirmed that it said today, 4th April 2025, the governor has issued a gubernatorial order suspending the State Minister of Finance, Planning and Investment until further notice. When pressed on the reason for suspension, Pasha, who also serves as the state government spokesperson, say the government order provide no further detail. He added that no replacement had yet been appointed to act in Deng's place. The SPLM IO leadership in the state could not immediately be reached for comment. Jen shaling on so wo jene diality ka bom ashanga no te ka medelat ka kwide. So this is what is going on right now. No tell me shalemal. So under Kiir Mayardit tell me shalemal ten distraction ten kana wo jene dial kon gujene odeje pose ke tindeje wo katashi ang madana lede re wika South Sudan. Ne me jana na gode nyo ayekel ban yo jumro den biate mal bye.